Hello! Good morning! Yes, morning pa, pero magluluto na ako ng lunch. Kasi nagutom ako. I will be cooking the sardinas with egg, and I decided to vlog kasi a lot of you guys asked me kung paano lutuin. I was like, it's so simple. I thought, like, parang given na sa mga Pilipino. Wait, i-move ko kayo. Sorry sa shaky-shaky. But, I feel like kapag Pilipino, parang given na marunong sila sardinas with egg. Kasi parang, bata pa lang ako, kumakain na kami nito. Siguro dahil hindi marunong magluto yung mama ko, so parang ito lang yung niluluto niya para sa amin. So yeah, it's very easy. Lalagay mo lang yung sardinas, and then ilalagay mo yung egg. Hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng salt or pepper or whatever kasi may flavor na yung sardinas, diba? So, nilagay ko na yung egg. And then imimix mo lang yung hanggang sa maluto yung dalawa. Depende na sa'yo. Yung iba, wait, nakikita nyo ba? Can you say it? Can you say it? Wait. There you go. Yung iba, prefer nila na parang mas chunky yung sardinas. Ako, not really. And yeah, minimix ko lang ito. And as I mentioned on my previous vlog na niluto ko to, prefer ko na dry yung sardinas with egg ko. So, it's so easy, you guys. Literally, like, lagay mo lang yung sardinas, lagay mo yung egg, lutuin mo hanggang sa luto na siya, kaloka. And yun lang. And sobrang yummers na nito. Sobrang dali lang din niya lutuin. And yan, nagutom ako ng maaga kasi hindi ako nag-cracker or nag-biscuit kanina. Nag-coffee lang ako, yun lang. So, parang kinukot-kot ng coffee yung aking tiyan. Tapos ko lang mag-edit ng vlog. So, yung vlog ko saving na. After ko kumain, magsha-shower ako. And then, I will film my favorites video. September favorites. My gosh! Yun yung last favorites na ipifilm ko dito. Yes! May mga nagtatanong kung kailan ako uuwi. I will be home before October 24, nasa Pilipinas na ako. So, ganyan yung itsura niya ngayon. Merong mga tao na gustong ganito, yung consistency ng sardinas with egg nila. Yung akin gusto ko dry siya. So, I'm gonna cook it more hanggang sa ma-dry siya. And makikita nyo later kung anong itsura niya. And then, nandito na yung rice ko. Konti lang yung rice kasi leftover to from last night. Pero okay lang yan kasi ayoko na magluto. So, ganito na yung itsura ng sardinas with egg. So, ganyan yung consistency na gusto ko. Dry. Hindi yung parang, hindi basa. Dry. So, yeah. Steaming, you guys. Ang init-init pa niya. Kain tayo! Hello! I just finished filming a video. I'm wearing this bomber jacket that I got from TB Dress. And I really, really like my outfit today. Like, I really do. I'm wearing this white t-shirt that I got from... Where did I get this? I think I got this from Supre. And then this is from TB Dress as well. I think. I will show you guys my outfit. Mamamatay na yung camera ko. But my leggings is from Cotton On. Namatay yung camera ko kanina kasi nalobat na siya. Pero napakita ko naman yung outfit ko, diba? Yep. And, meron akong sitwasyon dito na hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Nagpunta ako sa Priceline. Kahapon ba ako umalis? Yeah, kahapon, diba? And then, meron akong perfume na inano dito, spray dito. Di ko alam kung saan sa dalawa yung spray ko. Pareho silang mabango daw. Killer Queen, ata yung tawag dun, ni Katy Perry. Tapos yung isa kay Beyonce. Gusto ko siyang bilhin para kay mama. Nanonood ba si mama ng video ko? Feeling ko nanonood si mama. Pero yeah, hindi ko alam kung saan sa kanila. Pero ang bango nilang dalawa, you guys. Inano ko siya dito. My bad, kasi hindi ko siya sinulatan. Wala din naman na kasi akong ballpen. Pero, yeah, bango. Meron ba kayo nun? Killer Queen ni Katy Perry, Chapos. Tapos yung Beyonce, hindi ko na maalala kung anong pangalan sa... Heat? Heat ata yung kay Beyonce. Yung blue. Heat ba yung blue? Basta, babalikan ko lang siguro sa Priceline. Kailangan ko itago to. And like, I'm not sure kung saan sa kanila daw yung gusto ko. Siguro, parang nawawala na yung isa. Siguro sa kakasimhot po sa kanya. And I really like this bomber jacket. Para sa akin, sa lahat ng bomber jacket na meron ako, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. Meron akong 4 na eh. And ito yung gustong-gusto ko. It fits me perfectly. Like, as in, perfect talaga yung pagka-fit niya, oh. And then, meron siyang mga patches na ganap. There. And then, dito din sa sleeve. Bongga! And then I'm just wearing my leggings from Cotton On. And then this. Hindi kami pupunta sa dinner tonight kasi nga ayoko mahawa yung mga bata. Kawawa naman kapag nahawa sa ubo ko. Tapos ubo ako ng ubo. Tapos ano din ako, sneeze ako ng sneeze. So yeah, ayoko na mahawa yung mga bata. Lalo na yung 1-year-old lang na bata. Sabi ni Dan, siguro pupunta kami sa Chinatown tonight. I'm not sure, pero we'll see. Hindi ko muna to huhubadin hanggang pag-uwi niya and see ko anong plano niya. Kasi kapag hindi kami aalis, hubadin ko to. Kasi sinuot ko lang siya para mag-film. Ganyan tayo eh. And yeah, yun yung ganap. Eating strawberries again. Malapit na siya maubos. Not really. I'm not even halfway. Pero ganyan karami yung naubos ko. 1, 2, 5? 5 na. Kain. Sarap tingnan, no? Kain tayo. Oh, by the way, I painted my nails. Ito yung Annie nail polish in the shade Green Meets Mint. Tapos ito yung from OMG nail polish na gold. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng konting silver from Sally Hansen on top. Ito. So yeah. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ganda ng green, no? Yung Annie. Bigay sa akin ito ni Sherlyn from Pretty Angel Shop. Thank you, Sherlyn. Where did you get it?
The service station. It was like $2, and I was going to bring it for a packet. I was going to bring it home and eat it, and then I thought
and like share maybe.
Yeah. And then I had one, and then it tasted really good, and then I had another one, and then by the time that was like 5 biscuits in,
okay,
and then 10, and then I only had a few more left, and then I ate them, and they were gone.
How many are there?
A lot. 12 to 15.
What? And it's like chocolate coated?
Chocolate coated. Not good for you. They're like a family size.
Oh my god.
They last half an hour in the car.
Wow. That's his confession of the day.
That's bad.
He said, I have a confession to make.
I did something really bad.
Really bad?
Really bad.
Stop! Yeah. 15 pieces of chocolate coated biscuits.
It's 12 to 15, yeah, is in there.
Shoot, how can you finish that in one, like, 10 minutes?
I felt like I ate nothing. It honestly felt like I probably could have.
Whatever.
It did. It didn't feel like, I was like feeling, this is so light.
Was it good?
Yummers.
Yummers.
It was good.
Papunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. We're not supposed to go, but yeah, he wanted to go, so we're going. I wanted to go as well.
She don't want to go. She hates my family.
I don't.
She hates you, Mum. She hates you.
Your mom knows I don't hate her. Hi guys! Nakauwi na nga pala kami. Na-load ko na yung laundry kasi nakalimutan ko, hindi ako naka-laundry today. I was so freaking busy today. I edited 3 videos kasi ayoko na mag-edit sa weekend kasi meron kaming plano sa weekend. Pupunta ako ng ako lang. Pupunta kami ng Marion tomorrow, yung malaking mall dito. Tapos Sunday, ano bang plano niya sa Sunday? Oh yeah, maglalakad daw kami sa Morialta Walk, something. Sabi niya gusto niya daw mag-workout. So, yung weekend namin, full on yung weekend namin. So, kailangan ko mag-edit ng videos para sa weekend because you guys know I upload daily. Obviously, yung vlog, hindi ko pa siya ma-edit. Actually, na-edit ko na. Yeah, na-edit ko na yung vlog. It will be up tomorrow. Right. And then, yung, yeah. And, pagdating ko, so, niload ko yung laundry. And then, I needed to, pick winners para sa, hindi yung official winners, pero para pagpilian ng Sephora. So, pinik ko lahat ng gusto kong answers. Tapos, isisend ko sila sa Sephora. Yung sa giveaway. I'm talking about the giveaway. My gosh, I'm all over the place. And binasa ko, guys, lahat ng comments. Sobrang daming comments na nandun. As in, sobra. So, it took me, I don't know, forever to read the comments. And I wanted to make sure na I read every single one para fair sa inyong lahat. Kasi ayoko naman na baka pumunta yung Sephora sa channel ko and sabihin nila, maganda to, bakit hindi mo to na-include sa, you know? So, I made sure na binasa ko lahat. Tapos, bukas, isisend ko sa Sephora yung, yung mga napili kong nagustuhan ko na sagot. Tapos, sila napipili ng 2. I know it's gonna be hard for them to pick kasi yung mga sagot, napaka-on point. May mga pang Miss Universe talaga ng bonggang-bongga. So, I know they're gonna have a hard time choosing 2. So, yun yung ganap. And I've had this mask for way too long kasi nga I was reading the comments and that took me again forever. So, yeah, now I will remove my mask and then yung laundry ko din matagal nang tapos. Sedan, hindi ko na lang ginalaw kasi nag-YouTube na naman. Nakakainis. And ayoko din na siya magsampay. Pagsampay lang, ayoko. Hindi siya marunong magsampay. Magsampay lang, hindi siya marunong. Parang, ayoko na parang, basta, ako na lang magsasampay. Anyway, I will wash my face and then, yeah, that's basically it for tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow. Magmamall tayo bukas. Bye! Good night! Good morning, Reba Pips! Reba Pips! Reba Pips! Pupunta kami sa Marion today. Yung malaking mall na napuntahan namin last time. Isang beses pa lang ako nakapunta doon. So, today will be the second time. Titingin lang kami ng mga mapapasalubong ko. Gusto ko sana sa Harbor Town, pero sabi ni Dan sa Marion daw. Sabi ni Dan, we can go sa Harbor Town next weekend, or basta next time. Magsusushi kami before kami pumunta sa mall. So, that's the ganap. I have my gray contacts on. Marami nagsabi sa inyo na, you like my gray contacts? So, yay! Thank you. Hindi ako mag-BB cream or magfa-foundation today because I just don't want to. Hindi din ako mag-mascara. Mag-ano lang ako. Magko-concealer ako under my eyes. Blush. Highlight. Lipstick. And then, yun. Ganun. Powder. Tapos ang usapan. Good morning! Eh, naka-good morning na pala ako kanina. Tapos namatay yung battery ko. But yeah, we're heading to... Where are we going first? Sushi?
Yep.
Yummers! I have on the ColourPop lipsticks in the shade Grunge. Medyo brown siya. And walang mascara. Gray contacts. Yeah. And then I'm wearing this big cardigan that I got from StyleWe.com. And then this black, just a really thin black jumper. And then black pants. And then my black, I don't know if you saw that, but I'm wearing my black flats from Forever 21. And then I'm using my backpack today from TB Dress. Oops. Where are we gonna get sushi? Near the mall or no?
In town.
Oh, in town? We're here. This is called Sushi Planet. Is it the name of?
Yep.
Yeah. Sushi Planet. So I think we will get a platter. We'll get a platter, babe, right? Like this one?
They don't have peach iced tea.
They don't? I'm pretty sure they will.
That's your drinks.
Okay. We're getting this. Kami lang yung nandito. I joke. Mayroong papasok na babae. But yeah, look at this. Ang cool. I like it. I like you. What is this, babe?
I can soy sauce.
Is it?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
Like that.
Just like that? Yeah. What did you say?
Just like that.
We got our peach iced tea. We got peach iced tea kami dalawa. And then, yeah. Can you put soy sauce on mine, please? Show them how you do it. Just like that. Okay, enough. Thank you. Here it is. Ito lang yung mga kakainan ko. Yung mga walang hilaw na. Oh, shoot, babe. Oh, well, whatever. Meron siyang hilaw na ano. I don't like that. But yeah, that looks great. Yummers. Nandito kami sa T2. Bibili sa Dan ng tea. Which one are you getting, babe? Can you show them?
Fruitalicious.
Fruitalicious. Yums. And then he got this from somewhere outside.
Coffee.
Yeah. Coffee pods yan. Dito na pala kami sa Marion. But yeah.
Film the shop, mate.
Huh?
Film the shop.
You film the shop.
Yeah.
So meron sila mga, ito yung, wait, ito mabango siya. Strawberries and cream. But ito yung binili niya. Looks like, wait. That. Yummers. Tinry kasi namin siya. Meron silang sample and masarap. I like that.
Get some tea sponsorship.
Smell it. Oh, that's strong. Choc chip chai. Ang cute nito. So cute. Marami silang mga cute na churbaling dito. Ang cute. Gusto ni Dan to. Yung infuser ng tea. Sirain mo to. Sirain. Tino. We will go to Big W. It's big. Makeup. Wala namang sale. There's no yellow tag. Ooh, I see yellow. Hello, babe. Bow? Is that how you read it? Bow?
Yeah.
$2. $1. Butter gloss. Butter pots? Oh, lip butter. Okay. Well, it's cheap. Haven't seen this brand before. Hala. Pressed powder for $1. What is this brand? Mas mahal pa yung sharpener kaysa powder. Bongga. Interesting. Ooh, $1, babe. Oh. Nail polish is $2. And then here. Ay, wala palang yellow tag. Yung new pala yung yellow. Walang naka-sale. Walay. You okay, babe? Oh, let's look at their sheet. Nandito kami sa kitchen section. Meron siyang hahanapin. Ano? Tea infuser. Kasi dun sa T2 ang mahal. So, maybe it's here. Tea infuser. Ooh, I like this. I like it. I like that it's black. Like. Did you hear what he said? I said I like that it's black. He said just like your heart. Black. Oh, tara! Oh, babe! Ay, egg cups pala. We found it. We found a cheap one. $3. Ito yun, oh. Ito tsaka, my dent. Is that good?
Oh, alright.
Yeah? You're getting it? Tea Master? You gonna get it?
Yeah.
Sige, let's go. Hala, babe, it's on sale. $4.50. We're home! Pagod na ako. Grabe. Pagdating ko rin nanggal ko yung contacts ko kasi gusto kong mag-nap. Si Dan manonood ng football. Finals na to. Is it finals? Hello. Papunta kami sa... Wait. So shaky. It's dark. Papunta kami sa Vietnamese restaurant. Nakatulog ako. Nanood siya ng football kanina. Nanalo yung gusto niyang manalo. So, that's good. Wait. Mamaya na nga. Madilim. We're here. Dito kami kakain. Good pho. Vietnamese restaurant. Let's go. Isa lang? Only one? Menu?
That's all I can see.
Do you know what you're getting?
No, but that's alright. I'll just get the beef noodle soup.
I'm gonna get rice, of course. Let me see. Binigyan sila ng number. What's your number, babe? 70? Para sa order. So, kami yung kukuha ng order doon. There. Yeah. I got my combination rice and then si Dan, ano yung sa kanya? Soup, something. Na may prawns, yeah, ganun. And nagdala ako ng ganito kasi kailangan mong kunin yung food mo, diba? So, kumuha lang ako niyan, chili. And yeah. I'm gonna close the vlog. Kaka-up lang ng vlog ko yung... Yeah, kaka-up lang ng vlog ko kasi kaka-9 lang. Yep, it's exactly 9 p.m. And hindi pa ako nakahugas ng mukha. Napagod na ako ng bongga. Inano ko pa, tinapos ko pa yung description box ng isang video, a haul that needs to be up tomorrow. I posted OOTD sa Instagram ko. Let me know if you want me to do that. Like, every time na meron akong mga OOTD na ganap, nung unang sinuot ko to, parang hindi ko siya masyadong bet, tong cardigan. Pero na gustong-gusto ko na siya actually. Parang napaka-Korean ng vibe niya kasi ano siya, oversized na cardigan. I got this from Stylewee nga pala. I posted the OOTD sa Instagram ko. But yeah, let me know if you want me to do that often. Like, post it on Instagram. Or do you want me to post that on my Facebook as well? I just feel like parang feeling ko kasi ayokong i-doble Instagram at saka Facebook kasi magkapareho lang naman. I will copy-paste it lang naman. Pero yeah, let me know. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night.